Welcome! This video will help you get in, around, and out of Tally Prime when you use its different features. Let us begin by exploring the layout of the product. This is the gateway of Tally screen. In Tally Prime, everything happens in this one window. All features and menus open here. In the central area, on the left, you will find the names of the companies in use. On the right, you have the menu list of all the functional features of Tally Prime. This menu is the gateway to all masters, transactions, and reports. The top menu bar allows you to navigate from anywhere to anywhere in Tally Prime without having to browse through the menus, including access to the technical features such as licensing, data, troubleshooting, and so on. And right in the middle of the menu bar is the Go To button. You can open any report in Tally Prime at any time using Go To. Just search and there it is. You don't have to stop your task to get a report. For example, halfway through an invoice, pull up any report using Go To and go back to the same point in your invoice. This enables you to access and share reports without leaving the current screen. The buttons to change the date and company appear on the right button bar. While creating masters, you will get the button to jump to other masters. Similarly, in voucher creations, you get the buttons for different voucher types. Here, you also get the Change button mode that allows you to toggle between different modes of creation for a voucher type. Next up is the More Details button. This enables you to open occasionally used data entry fields. For example, you can enter supplier reference details without enabling it permanently. You will also have the ever-present F12 button. That is your channel to new configurations. Now that you're familiar with the different parts, let's talk about the methods to access or open them. The two basic keys you will need to open and exit any feature are the Enter and Escape keys. Place your cursor on any menu and press Enter to open and press Escape to exit. The versatility of Tally Prime allows you to do the same thing in different ways. For example, to access a feature, you can use the shortcut key such as pressing K in Gateway of Tally to open Daybook, or placing cursor on the option and pressing Enter, or just clicking on the menu using the mouse. This versatility is not limited to navigation alone. You can create masters from the Create menu in Gateway, or you can create them on the fly while recording a transaction using the shortcut option. You can also import your masters in one go. It is very handy if you are moving to Tally from a different software or for a chain of outlets where the head office shares the business data. You can see this flexibility while saving a document as well. Both in master or a transaction, you can press Enter to save when the Accept button is displayed. You can also click on the Yes option in the Accept button. Another method to save is to press Ctrl+A keys. You can use this to save the document even before Save button is displayed. You don't have to go through all the fields. If the most important information is specified, just press Ctrl+A to save. It's a lifesaver when you are entering huge data. Another handy feature is to drill down to the next level in reports. You can select any row and press Enter to get the details. TallyPrime offers a wide variety of features that are not enabled by default. You can use the F11 Features option to enable the required ones to extend the functionalities as per your business needs. For example, you can enable interest calculation. For inventory, you can price levels. And in statutory, you can enable TDS and so on. Similar to features, some input fields are not enabled by default to avoid cluttering. You can use F12 Configure while creating masters to enable additional fields when you have the need. The F12 button is also present in the vouchers, where you can get transaction-specific fields enabled. Speaking about flexibility, you will be amazed at the different voucher entry methods offered. You can record vouchers in single entry mode or in double entry mode that offers the flexibility to do multiple credits and debits in a single voucher. You can also record transactions in accounting invoice or item invoice mode. More on that in another video. The other menus are fairly self-explanatory. You now know all that there is about TallyPrime. Jump in to get started. Thank you. For more information, go to help.tallysolutions.com.